Okay, welcome to the revision for test 3. Just to run through where we're at for this final few weeks that we've got left. You would have completed test 1s and test 2 at the moment, with a combined value of 30%, and we're just about to start on test 3. This is going to be the last test where we test your knowledge, like what you know in terms of how to do a VLOOKUP, conditional formatting, etc. The final test, test 4, or the examination, which is worth 55% of the Excel component, is a little bit different because it's going to test your critical thinking and analysis. So it's the application of those ones. So going to question 9 then, I'm going to break this up into a series of shorter videos and we'll do each question one by one. We want to create a macro and button that will append the details of Issey Miyake's information to the end of the large table. So this is an append one. We go to developer, which isn't there. Hang on. Magic, it's just reappeared. Developer. Make sure it's a relative macro because we're not pasting in absolutely the same cell, but a new cell. So relative macro, record macro, macro 1, F5 key, and this time I want to go to K3, and because I'm highlighting more than one cell, K3 to P3. Okay, that. Control C or right click on the mouse and copy. F5 again, and this time we want to go to the top of the table, being cell B2, designer B2. Click on that to find the end of the table. Control button on the keyboard, down arrow key once, and if we click one more time we can paste it in there. Paste it as values, and even though those dates and the dollar signs are not there, we'll fix them up in a moment. Stop recording. Also want you to create a button. Very simply insert, it's a form button, drag, assign it to there. You should be becoming fairly comfortable with creating buttons by this stage. And to test if it works, if I change this to designer me, press the button and there it appears. Now in terms of full marks, so we'd give you 9 out of 10 for this, but because the formatting's not there, simply highlight the entire column, right click, format cells, and change it to a date, and then OK. And same thing there, highlight the entire column, format cells, currency, make sure you've got your dollar signs, and stop. Okay, so that is question 1 complete.